Lately there have been a lot of posts online about how stores are cleaning out of a lot of supplies. And one of the things that we want to do is make sure we're washing our hands very well. But if you are traveling and you're unable to go and give your hands a good scrub, you definitely want to be carrying some hand sanitizer. So I'm just going to give you a quick video on how you can make your own at home. So I do have this aloe gel. I have isopropyl alcohol, and you'll want to have that in at least 91% or higher of isopropyl alcohol. I have a container that I picked up at the dollar store. Usually I would use something from my recycling. Unfortunately, we've just done a recycled deliver and I didn't have anything on hand. So I picked this one up at the dollar store. I wanted to have a pump, but you can also put it in a travel container. I have a funnel, a mixing container, a bowl, and 2 measuring cups. When you're making your hand sanitizer, it's very, very simple. All you want to do is use 1 part aloe gel to 2 parts isopropyl alcohol. So in this case, I'm just going to keep it simple. I have a half of a cup, so I will use a half of a cup of the aloe gel. You can mix this in any quantities that you wish, but again, just make sure you're doing it in a 2-to-1 ratio. So there's about half of a cup of the aloe gel. And 1 cup of my isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to use a whisk. I just find that it does help to break up the gel. So you want to mix that until they are fully incorporated into each other. Now I'm going to take my container and I'll just pour this right in here. Now there might be a little bit of gel remnants at the bottom of the bowl. If there is, I'm just going to scrape it right into my container and I'll give it a little shake. Make sure that you do label whatever container you put it in as hand sanitizer so that there's no mix-up. There we go. And now we do have some homemade hand sanitizer. I have enough that I can make a few more batches, and hopefully this does help. And I just want to remind you all to wash your hands, stay safe, and good luck.